afternoon. This is Marty Kaiser with Greater Orlando Realty. I'm proud to show you a property that we're just putting on the market today. Its address is 2608 Windchime Court. It's a gorgeous property, as you'll see inside. A few things I'd like to mention about the outside setting. It's a corner lot, so you have more space. We're in the Tanglewood section of Hunters Creek, so it's unique in a few aspects. Number one, it's gated and guarded. It's the only neighborhood in Hunters Creek that has those components. And consequently, you have very little through traffic. Also, where this property is setting, this is like on a little cul-de-sac, so to speak, so you get no through traffic. So it's ideal for privacy, plus it's still very convenient. It's got a gorgeous backyard, which you'll see as well. One of the things that this neighborhood does, which a lot of the homeowners really enjoy, is the community takes care of your front lawn as part of your HOA fees. And then they also provide sprinkler water as part of your HOA fees. So those are nice features for landscaping, and they cut back the shrubberies and such. You also have, within close proximity of the house, a community pool, tennis courts, and also a recreation and lounging area. So this community is designed for having a number of amenities. At the same time, it's very low maintenance. We tend to get a combination of people that use this as a second home hideaway, along with people who live a maintenance-free lifestyle. So let's head inside. You're going to see some gorgeous features of it. Okay, let's take a look inside now. A few of the things that I'd like to point out, as you'll see through our tour of the house, this house was completely updated and renovated. The owner used the best of everything, and she's got exquisite taste. And besides quality, it combines a classic nature with very contemporary styling. Also, all your colors blend together. Very nice combination of cream and tan. And it's a gorgeous combination. Where I'm standing now is what I call the great room area. So depending on how you like to have as your lifestyle, you have a combination of a living family area and you have a dining room. A couple of the things I'd like to point out, brand new 18-inch tile, gorgeous, blends in with everything. You have a lot of flexibility in this room. If you happen to be a person that has a large flat screen TV, you've got an ideal wall here, plus you've got a second wall right across from me. So you have two different options depending on how you want to set up your furniture. The dining room, as you can see, is quite nicely sized also. And one of the things I like about this property is there's a lot of natural lighting. So as you can see in the house, we're here in the middle of the afternoon, and you've got not only do you have great views, but you've got a lot of brightness. And I always prefer living in a brighter atmosphere. It's just more conducive to a positive attitude, and it's just a nice way to live in Florida. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. This is what we refer to as a split plan. The nice thing with this house is they actually have all three bedrooms on individual wings. So you have a little bit more privacy than you would in a typical 3-bedroom house. This 3-2 is just under 1,800 living area, and in my opinion, they did a great job of maximizing the living area and the flexibility that you can utilize. This is the master bedroom. And a few things I'd like to point out. The first thing is, again, it's been completely redone in here. My favorite thing, they have some gorgeous tile, more in a rectangular setting, very contemporary, and everything blends together very nicely. They use kind of a gray-white theme in here, and that's pretty much what people like nowadays. It's very designer-oriented, but it's a soothing environment, so you always want to have a soothing environment in your bedrooms. Again, if we had the blinds more open, you have a lot of natural lighting in here. One of the things I'd like to point out too is they remodeled the entire bathroom and they made it separated. So one of the things that you'll find in a lot of Florida homes are the bathrooms are kind of open. And, you know, if somebody's using the bathroom, it bothers the other person. It doesn't have as much privacy. The lighting bothers you. Here they put a designer piece that's unique. It's very architecturally pleasing. And at the same time, it creates privacy. And it's very easy to open and close. Let's enter the master bathroom and take a look. The first thing I'd like to point out is they have a very large walk-in closet. And if you needed more space, you could definitely use it as a California closet if need be. But again, they've also incorporated the upgraded tile flooring into, obviously the master bedroom has it, the master bathroom has it, and the master bedroom closet has it. A couple other things that you'll see is they've got upgraded countertops here. This is the Silestone, gorgeous. The cabinets are all brand new and upgraded, and you have a lot of cabinet space in the bathroom. You've got a contemporary pedestal sink here. You've got additional areas for storage or putting like an end table in here. And this bathroom was designed originally, there was a handicapped relative that was considering moving here. So they put some handicap features in the shower, so in case there's someone in your household that needs a little assistance showering, it's already built in. The shower is gorgeous. Again, the tile blends in with the flooring. You've got a seat here to assist somebody if they need it. And one of the cool things here is you've got a control switch on the exterior that turns the shower on and off. So kind of every feature was thought about in this house, and it's very user-friendly. And everything that you've seen in the house so far is brand spanking new. So it's like moving into a new house but not having to wait for the builder to finish. In the front of the house, you have an extra bonus closet. In Florida, you don't usually have too many coats, but you can store additional things in here, Christmas goods, whatever the case may be. Let's go down to the second wing of the house. And I like to point out a few things. The first thing is the inside laundry room. And they have brand new state-of-the-art LG washer and dryer. And you have some cabinet space as well here. This also leads to your garage. And so the nice thing is if you go to the grocery store, everything's very accessible. When your cars are here, you've got kind of what I would call the Chattahoochee or epoxy floor look. So for a garage, this is a really awesome floor. This is an oversized 2-car garage. As you see, it goes quite deep here. So besides having the ability to park 2 cars, you can store additional items here. A couple things to point out. The air conditioner unit was replaced a little less than 2 years ago. And they've got a state-of-the-art control setting and hot water heater that's all built in and compacted, so it minimizes your water bills and it doesn't take the space up that a typical water heater would. You've also got a pull-down attic. So for those of you that have excessive things that you've moved here maybe from up north, you've got some additional room for storage. And of course you have a garage door opener. We'll go across from the laundry room into the guest bathroom. Again, you'll note everything is very contemporary, brand new. This whole bathroom was remodeled as well. Everything's very decorative and flows from the walls to the shower to, again, your gray flooring. This was a gray and light green motif, and everything blends tremendously. Again, you've got a nice sink, a little different style from the previous bathroom that I showed, but very nice and very contemporary. And we'll go into the second bedroom now. So you have The way this house was designed, both bedrooms are serviced by this bathroom, and the bathroom enters into both bedrooms basically. One's a hallway entrance and the other one directly enters into the bedroom. So this particular room has new laminate flooring in it, and both guest bedrooms have good sized closet space, and this one comes with a built-in area. All the bedrooms also have new ceiling fans and remote control units for the ceiling fans. So now we'll go back and look at the third bedroom. We're going to cut through the bathroom. And this would be your third bedroom. Now, a couple things I'll point out. If you had an adult guest staying here, or possibly an in-law, this would be an ideal room. This is a big room. It's about I think it's 18 or 19 by 10. And because it has a private entrance to the bathroom, it could be treated as a secondary master bedroom. Also, for those of you that have a smaller household, because of the size of this room, you could use this room as a home office, especially in today's climate. A lot of people are working out of the house, so this would be ideal for that. And you could also use it as a media or flex room. If you wanted to utilize this to watch TVs or a movie or whatever the case may be. Again, you've got two really large walls, so it's ideally set up for a large flat screen TV. You've got double French doors to give it some elegance. And then this is your closet here. And again, it's a pretty good sized closet with easy open drawers. So this house was designed with really quality and also the maximum in flexibility and making it completely usable. Now we're in one of my favorite rooms of the house, the kitchen. I like it for a few reasons. Number one, it's quite spacious. Number two, it's very open. Number three, it's great for somebody that likes to utilize a kitchen and cook and be creative. The other thing that I really like is, again, everything was completely renovated and updated with top quality items. One of the things that you'll see, again, the 18-inch tile continues here. It's blended in through the house. A gorgeous silestone counters, and you've got a great island here so that you can utilize this with stools if you do decide to. You have your food preparation area here, plus you've got your built-in sink. So all these conveniences were taken in mind. You've got additional storage area here. And as you can see, all these cabinets are customized and you've got a lot of storage. This is particularly well thought out. This is a huge pantry, and again, it's got pull-out drawers. So it's very functional and easy to utilize. Right next to it, you've got a kind of what I call a mini break front. Some people might use this to advertise, so to speak, their china or their sterling silver flatware. Other people might choose to have knickknacks stored there, whatever the case may be. You've also got plenty of storage space below here as well. Then you go over here and you've got your built-in, you've got a microwave, and you've got your range. So not only is it brand new, but it's very attractive, and because it's built in, it doesn't take up the space. And these are all top quality Whirlpool appliances. Again, you've got additional storage and cabinet space. You've got your flat top burners here, again, the maximum in utility as well as cosmetics. And then plenty of drawers, and these drawers are the easy open ones, and they have a lot of storage area. Also, the drawers over here, they again have the pull-out drawers. So again, everything was well thought out with this kitchen. And then you've got, again, above ground, so to speak, storage area. You've got a brand new double door Whirlpool with an ice maker as well. So everything in the house is brand new. So you have brand new Whirlpool stainless appliances, and then you've got a brand new washer and dryer that we viewed already. Over in this section, you've got a lot of room for probably in most people's minds, they would use this as an eat-in kitchen. You also could utilize this for a couple different things, but I would say the most practical use is an eat-in kitchen. And then again, you look out into your garden area and your yard. So when you're working in the kitchen, you've got a lot of brightness and natural lighting, and it just makes a more conducive environment to hang out in. So I hope you enjoyed this kitchen. Now we'll go outside and look at the gorgeous yard. Well, now we're outside. We've just left the kitchen, so you have a natural traffic flow out here. And this is a covered porch area. It's good size, very peaceful. You could also screen it in very easily if you chose to do that. And then it also continues into what I call this extra patio area. So you've got brick paver patios. The entire yard is fenced and walled, so not only is it very private, but for someone that has a pet, or maybe they have a small child and they want some outdoor areas, but they want to have them contained and private, this yard offers both opportunities for that. We'll go to the other side real quick and you'll see something somewhat similar. It's just not quite as wide on this side. And then this is where your air conditioner compressor is. So again, it's tucked away for maximum privacy, but it's a very clean look. And we're in the yard now. So a few things I'd like to point out in the yard. Number one, you continue your brick paver walkway, and then you've got another area here, so you could set up chairs here, you could put your barbecue equipment. There's a lot of different ways you can use the yard. The thing that I like most is you have kind of what I call a bonus privacy area in the back. Kind of what I refer to as a garden or a park view. So you have no neighbors here. You very rarely get neighbors that are going to actually utilize this area. And then you've got a gazebo here as well to view. So basically you have the best of privacy, and you've got a nice tranquil view with the landscaping aesthetics. So this, in my opinion, is one of the premium lots in Tanglewood. It's a bigger corner lot, and it's definitely more private. So basically, in my opinion, this house has a tremendous amount of selling attributes. It's what I refer to in the industry as a cream puff, in the sense that you move in and there's nothing that you have to do with it. Again, to go over the specifications, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 1,800 living area. Everything is brand new. You're in the guarded, gated area of Tanglewood, which is a self-contained community, offering you, again, the gated guard, the community pool, the private tennis courts, the front lawn care, and the sprinkler water. So you couldn't ask for more than that. And it's also very modestly priced at $324,900. If you have any questions or would like to set up a private viewing or just would like to chat with me, I can always be reached on my phone at 407-595-9700, or my email address is marty@floridasales.com. I hope you enjoyed this tour and have a great day.